Hi, this is Ms. Butler. This is my classroom, and this is Art 1. So I'm going to show you a tour of the class. Kids come in, and this is what they see every day. You can see we've got tables, and the chairs are kind of spread out, and they have a dividing line so the kids know to stay on their side of each table. Every table is color-coded so they can have their supplies at their table. Word wall, there's the rules and the champs, the objective on the board, the calendar where they see what's coming up, what they've missed if they are absent. I have a shoe bag that they can put phones in if they need to. That's the rule. This is my area and just supplies. We keep folders for organization for them. They keep their things in it. I have a Chromebook charging area in that space. Fans all over the place because I'm hot-natured. Storage room, nobody goes in there except me and Mrs. Voss. We've got lots of sinks, and everybody can wash their hands as needed. We supply basic things. If they want to bring their own supplies, they can. Everything gets disinfected in between each class, so we stay pretty clean. I'm married, will be for 23 years. I've been teaching for 23 years. I have 2 daughters. My husband and I do with Ruthie and Abby. Ruthie's at Tech, a senior. Abby's at Lake Belton in the 7th grade. What else? How we do grades. This is a high school class. 65% major, 35% minor. Attendance is a big deal for high school classes. Kids have to be here to get credit. So we need them here. If they become close to that line, that 90% absence line, then we're going to have some conversations. It's just a big deal. They got to be here. This is a hard class. Art is not a blow off at all. And so I expect them to take it seriously. It's going to be a great year. We're going to have a good time. I love getting to know your kids. Thank you. Bye-bye.